Dow futures surged by 1,300 points on Pfizer vaccine news, Biden win. This is a game changer, Pfizer said Monday, announcing that its vaccine is 90% effective in protecting people against COVID-19. Stock futures on Wall Street surged on Monday after Pfizer said its vaccine was 90% effective in protecting people against COVID-19. U.S-based pharmaceutical giant Pfizer and German biotech firm BioNTech made the announcement Monday morning, citing data from their late-stage vaccine trial. Dow Jones futures soared by 1,300 points, further advancing after post-election gains which came as former Vice President Joe Biden emerged on Saturday as victor in the presidential race, according to NBC News Decision Desk projections. Futures on the S&P 500 were up by 3.6% early Monday, and Nasdaq futures climbed by more than 2%. Shares in travel and hospitality rocketed after the Pfizer announcement, on hopes that passenger demand and visitors would return. Casino operator MGM Resorts and Delta Airlines both surged by 18% and Royal Caribbean Cruise Line soared by 25%. This is a game changer, Albert Bourla, Pfizer's chairman and chief executive, told CNBC in an interview Monday morning. "Today is a great day for science and humanity," he wrote in an official statement. With Election Day stretching for 5 days with no outcome, Americans, and markets, had been anxiously awaiting to find out whether President Donald Trump or Biden would be victorious. Biden became president-elect Saturday after winning the pivotal state of Pennsylvania. NBC News called the race in Pennsylvania for Biden at 11:24 a.m. ET, bringing Biden's Electoral College vote total to 273 and allowing the network to call the election for him. For his part, Trump has refused to concede, vowing Saturday to press forward with a legal fight, pushing unfounded claims of voter fraud in response to the news that President-elect Joe Biden had won the election. Investors have already begun to reposition their portfolios to reflect the potential new reality of a divided government, with no blue wave that would have seen Democrats in control of both chambers of Congress. With legislative power likely to be more balanced, traders wagered that restrictive measures such as tighter regulation and higher taxes would be unlikely to pass. On Monday morning, traders who had piled into high-growth tech stocks started to ditch their holdings as the stay-at-home sector became less favorable. The tech sector has hugely benefited through coronavirus-induced lockdowns, with stocks such as Amazon surging by close to 100% since the beginning of the pandemic and Netflix's market capitalization growing by around $100 billion. Markets rallied last week, buoyed Friday by a better-than-expected jobs report that showed gains of 638,000 positions, higher than the 530,000 that economists had predicted. Still, the employment snapshot is a monthly reminder that the labor market has far to go before recovering all 22 million jobs lost since the coronavirus pandemic hit, and indicates how crucial support measures such as fiscal stimulus remain.